All right. This is a little story here about Beverly Hillbillies from Lake Mary, Florida, loading up a 39 contender, heading down to Eleuthera, Bahamas. First, got to load up a redneck truck, Ram dually on 37s with a 6-inch lift. Looks like a tiny little baby truck there, eh? Boat was loaded, truck is loaded. We go down 2.5 hour drive. Well, actually, it really took us 3 hours to get down to Jupiter from Lake Mary, Florida. We get down, we launched, scraped a little bit on the ramp on the way down, but you gun it and you make it work, right? So we're launched. There's Uncle Brad. We had 4 of us: myself, the dude, and Brad, and Uncle Justin, and Bryson, my son. So we take off from Jupiter. Go a couple hours. We get over to West End, Bahamas. We check in Old Bahama Bay, refuel, tippity top, and we got about $6 a gallon fuel, and checked in. Absolutely no issues at all. Gifted some of the folks there working at Customs some homemade pickled jalapenos that I got from my garden, and they were delighted. There's the entry into West End. And Brad, taking the video, could not believe how clear the water was, something he'd never seen before. So he was all fired up. Here we are exiting Customs. That is our courtesy flag, hung up, and really garbage place, but whatever. So another 150 miles or so, another 4.5, 5 hours. We are going about 40 to 43 miles an hour at a 0.7 to 0.8 miles per gallon was our economy, which is not great, but we were loaded. This boat's supposed to get way better than that, but I don't see much over 1.0 with a pretty empty tank, honestly. That said, I don't care. I got Yamahas I never break down. So there's the boat lift and the little tiny sliver of property that I bought. And the first time this boat or any boat has seen that lift. So we're all excited to have a little short weekend, leave the boat there, and then come back in a few more weeks to have a hoorah. There's Uncle Brad living his best life. Me and Uncle Justin chilling at Rutgers, having some breakfast. There's Brad and Bryson passed out in beanbags as they should be. Uncle Justin there at Sandbar, getting a little appetizer and drink for dinner, happy hour. Here we are, speared some hogfish with Uncle Gideon, G-Dog, the man, and one of my best friends in the world. And there was Gideon with 4 fish at a time, Bryson with some Elaine snapper, a limit of conch. Brad freaked out. He saw a conch at the side of the road. He said, "Man, who's painting those cool shells?" We said, "Bro, that's the color of it." Brad was enamored with this deal here. This is the main thoroughfare out in front of Pinders. Pinders is where you get the taxi to go back and forth to the airport. They literally lift off the road and expose those railroad tracks. By the way, that's Brad's beach. They expose the railroad tracks, and they do a pulley system to raise boats in and out of the water, up and down the pulley. So that was the taxi, the water taxi. It takes you, a mile over to that land you just saw there. Here, then, you get off the taxi, you jump into the same company, Pinders Taxi, you jump into their van. Then you go through customs, you go through departing flights and security at the airport, and they built these new killer buildings with air conditioning and vending machines. Never used to exist. It's awesome.